This is Barton Springs. Water coming out of the rocks. Natural water. Going along the beautiful little river. Very nice down here. Very peaceful, very nice sounds. Ooh. Don't fall in.
Your head?
No, I'm alright, I'm coming. Beautiful Barton Springs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you fall in, just camera up.
Yeah, camera up, and then if you walk up.
And face.
And face. No, the face is gone anyway, so. Then you walk up here. And then you've got the beautiful hills. Wonderful views. Look at that. Stunning, stunning views. So Barton Springs and Barton Hills. We're not climbing up them today. No.
Sorry.
Oh. Yeah, let's sit down for a minute. So yeah, Barton Hills and Barton Springs. There's not many places to park, but there's a few places to park up the road. And it's well worth a trip up here to see the Chiltern Hills and nature. Whew, I'm knackered just walking up those steps. So yeah.
That's why we don't go.
Yeah, we're not going up that hill, no way. So yeah, I'm going to walk a bit more and see you later.